Hi guys, I'm Canine Crooner Finn Austin there. So we're gonna make a request video. I'm gonna make some more singing dogs on low batteries. This request is from new account, so I had to make some more videos of singing dogs on low batteries. The first low battery singing dog is this La Machine singing black dog. See what he does. Okay, let's see what our next singing dog on low battery is. And our next low battery dog is this Glamblers dog, the Kenner Rogers dog. He sings the Glambler song.
You got.
Whoa.
You got. You got. You got. You got. You got. You got.
Whoa.
You got. You got. You got. You got. You got. You got. You got.
Whoa. He sounds really creepy. Let's see what our next low battery dog is. And our next low battery dog is this singing Christmas Boston Terrier. Whoa.
Merry Christmas. Happy holidays.
it's your request new account. So here is the video about more singing dogs on low batteries. So this is the request by new account. So goodbye, and I'll see you tomorrow, and have a great day. Or I'll see you later, and have a great day.